I just finished knitting these cute socks. I use them as night socks or slipper socks. They are very easy pattern and trust me they are very warm and comfortable. They are such cozy that you want to wear them all the time. Let's see how to make them. Using a long tail cast on method, I have cast on about 50 stitches. You can check the link in the description to know how to make a long tail cast on. To begin the socks pattern, we will start with knitting the first stitch. Then put the yarn forward and purl the second. Yarn back, knit the third. Yarn front, knit the fourth. You will continue the same. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. Basically we are following the pattern of a rib stitch. We are making knit 1, purl 1 ribbing. And your last stitch will be a purl stitch. Going to the second row, you will be doing the same again as we have taken even number cast on. So the first stitch will be a knit again, second is a purl, knit, purl, knit, purl and so on. Continue making the same knit 1, purl 1 till the end of the row and you will be doing the same. You will be repeating the row 1 that is knit 1, purl 1 or K1 P1 ribbing until you reach the required length of your socks. I am making the socks for an adult, so I kept on making the K1 P1 ribbing till the required length. For me, I have kept it for 12 inches. After 12 inches, we will decrease a few stitches and then we will give it the shape of a socks. To begin the decrease row, we will first make a knit 1, then we will place the yarn forward and make a purl 2 together. Keep the yarn backward and make a knit 2 together, forward, purl 2 together, knit 2 together and purl 2 together, knit 2 together and purl 2 together. You will be repeating this till the end and you will just have one stitch remaining at the last. Finish the round by making just a normal purl stitch. Moving to the next row, here you will be continuing the same ribbing pattern that is knit 1, purl 1. This row is also the last row for the pattern of the socks. Continue the pattern knit 1, purl 1. Coming to the last stitch is a purl 1. So that's it, the knitting work is done. Now we will leave a longer tail equal to at least 2 times the length of the socks and then we will cut it. Now thread in needle. Now comes the tricky part. You will start inserting the needle into each stitch from the opposite end. One by one, each stitch without missing any stitch in between. Continue to transfer the stitches on the yarn with the help of the needle without skipping any stitch in between. Once this work is done, you can slowly slide the knitting needle and take off the stitches. To close the gap, you can pull the yarn, pull it tight, and to make it more secure, you can pass the needle once again under the loops. Now you can pass under 3 to 4 stitches at a time. After closing the gap, we will now stitch the sides. Now hold the two ends properly, place markers if necessary. Now start stitching one stitch from each side. Insert the needle under one stitch of one side and another stitch of the other side. After you complete stitching, Close the gap between the two ends by inserting the needle back and forth again. Tie a knot and hide in the tails. So my easy and cozy socks is ready. Let me turn the right side out. Just see how beautiful it has turned out to be. Also, it is really very easy. This is also a very easy and quick last minute project or a gifting idea. Similarly, knit another socks. I hope you loved knitting these easy and cozy socks with me. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more such amazing knitting videos.